Some people have said that the mummies from the Valley of the Kings have similar facial features to the Masai Mara. Is this true, and where are the mummies now? In general, I would make the argument that many of the mummies from Egypt and Upper Egypt have a general set of facial characteristics which can be called elongated African. They are Somali-like. They come from because they're descendants of people from a hot, dry climate. They have this sort of elongated face that one sees in some living Africans. One can also note that the limb ratios, the limb proportions of Egyptians are tropical. They have a tropical body plan. They do not have a Northern European body plan or a Siberian body plan. They do have a tropical body plan. Generally, you see people with narrow faces and noses in Africa in the circum-Saharan regions, or in the Sahara, bordering the Sahara. That's generally where you see them. In the deep forest belt, you see people with other kinds of physical traits. They tend to have a broader face.